Kule national government tayari wamelipwa mishahara yao. Askari wamelipwa. Workers of the national government have been paid. What about the county government? So we know there are many priorities. We know we have challenges. Lakini this idea, this habit of taking for granted county governments has to stop. Our Council of Governor chairman yesterday alisema there will be a crisis in this country because this is our right. Wakati kawa inauzwa, wakati mama anaenda pale Kerugoya ananunua mboga, ananunua maziwa, kuna VAT imetoka Kerugoya, imetoka hapa na Kirinyaga, na hiyo ndio inaenda national government for us to get our money back, for us to be able to serve our people. So we are not very happy as governors. It's all about priority, and it is clearly that devolution or funding counties is not a priority of the National Treasury at this time. And this is going to cause a very big problem. Even President Uhuru Kenyatta should also know that if you want to grow your agenda in this country, you need to grow the agenda from the ground. And the ground is counties. When people in counties are dissatisfied, those are the voters. They are dissatisfied. When people are hungry and they don't have money in their pocket, they can get confused by propaganda by other people. So when you limit money coming to counties, you're actually finishing yourself politically.
Kirinyaga County has not received any exchequer since February. So we haven't received for March, April, May, and now we are in the middle of June. It's a crisis. We need to buy medicine. We need to pay people. We have people who have not been paid their salaries. And it is something, as you've said, you cannot continue to sustain. Kwa sababu hawa watu ndio ground yenu. Hawa watu ndio ground yetu. Hawaelewi kwa nini hawajalipwa mshahara. Wale ambao wanaenda hospitali hawaelewi kwa nini hakuna dawa. Lakini mwenye na supply hawezi leta dawa kama hajalipwa. Let's just talk even on basics. So I think the National Treasury needs to start taking counties very seriously. And according to the law, they're supposed to prioritize disbursement to the counties. That should be the first charge, next to salaries. So I think the National Treasury, the minister needs to take this matter very seriously. And remember that when you deny counties or delay counties resources, it is actually the normal mwananchi you're punishing.